So things are beginning to roll. I'm back at Wild Sun in this amazing studio with mirrors. Show them the mirrors. And I've got somebody here for 3 weeks, and we're playing Poi almost every day. And all the inspiration from Leviathan is beginning to come back. So I'm working on mastering those Triquetra buzzsaw flowers and the in-spin version, and some things like this, which I didn't show you before. The mashup of a Triquetra sideways in one hand meets a one in-spin in the other, which rhythmically goes together, but it makes this very weird looking pattern. Now I don't know if these feel amazing and look cool, and this is, I think, one of my favorite patterns ever now that it's rolling. And this is just weird, and fulfill the curiosity. So more videos will be coming. Thank you for being patient. It's nice here.